In today's world, financial services are delivered through people and technology. Banks have coalitions, credit unions have shared branches. We compete on features and strategy. But there is so much more we must see beyond the world of banking, data, and digital technology. There is crime, and mental health affects many for a time. Fear, anxiety, depression, and suicide have become more than words. They truly affect our minds. In this world, criminals generate commerce of a different kind. They spread violence, commit theft, and induce physical and mental abuse through human trafficking. These events create mental and physical trauma across humanity. And the victims who survive, physical wounds may heal, but they continue to suffer emotionally and mentally. In this world, there are people with injuries, birth defects, and physical disabilities. Their disabilities can affect their mental health, or their mental illness triggers sickness and disease physically. This connects to money, time, and the spirit inside of us. Around and around we go until we grasp the whole. It will take a village, it will take a team. It will require elevated thinking, courage, and bravery. But we can choose to change the world in which we see using data and technology. For you see, everything is connected to what's inside of you and me. And while our industries work in silos, the world continues to cry. Humanity calls each of us to unite, for now is the time to apply data, technology, and strategy beyond profit, but intentionally and for the good of the whole.